what though? Maybe you should get it earlier because.
So.
Well, whatever.
As you can see, we started down from
I'm not sure what
where that building is down there, and
I'm not sure.
We've climbed a bunch of steps. We're not even halfway up this. Holy crap! This mountain. See, there's lots of steps. Can't even see because of all the shrubberies and bushes and. Holy crap! I don't know. I don't know.
Time to make new plans.
I think I might need to make new plans for Christmas if... Stop laughing, Mike!
What?
It's not funny.
We didn't even do anything yet.
Well, okay, so just making it worse, I know. Oh. My legs are killing me. My breath. Can we... Oh, I don't know what to do.
It sounds very dramatic. I don't think it's that bad.
It is. Stop lessening my pain.
Lin, what's your name on Facebook? L-I-N?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. I think in a minute we're gonna... Oh, crap.
And your family name? I forget.
We're gonna...
Oh, no, my
You're
family...
interrupting my interview! Stop it! Okay, I'll give you an update from where either I die or when we get to the top.
I think you'll definitely win an Oscar. It's good.
Oh, yeah. This is not a performance. Okay. Alright. So I'll let you know when one of the two happens. Alright. I'm signing off. Bye. What the crap? Okay, we've just climbed all these stairs and there's a friggin' road right there. We could have cabbed all the way up here. What's the point?
Well, the guy did offer us a cab.
Yeah, the guy offered us a cab. He didn't tell us he was going over here. You should know these things. You're planning this trip, Mike. I don't think Mike's prepared for this at all. Wait, what did you even do, Mike? What did you do to plan here?
Mostly Sunny's planned the trip so far. Sunny and Lin.
Sunny's not here!
No, she invited me in the last minute.
She changed her mind last minute. She said, I gotta go back to school or else I'm gonna die.
He said she invited him at the last minute.
Oh.
Clean out your ears.
I'm sorry, it's the high altitudes. I can't hear. The oxygen's affecting my brain.
It's too bad the road really goes back and forth. If we could go up, it would...
Well, maybe you could find another trail that we didn't know about before and hike that. I think another typhoon's coming in.
So they...
Well, that was close. I was just I was just busy taking some nice photos and video of the surrounding landscape back there when a giant gust of typhoon-esque wind comes and tries to blow my amazing race hat off my head. Like, I had to catch it with my hand. That was close. That would not have been a good thing. Whew. I'm glad I've got the swift reflexes. Like a cat. Mike, is it just me or is the typhoon hit again?
What?
I think the typhoon is coming back! Lin, don't be scared!
Okay.
It's pretty windy again up here. Thankfully, I still have my hat. But, you know, wow! I tried to step up on a bench to get a picture of the overlook, and like the wind blew me off the bench. It's pretty strong. But we're continuing our trek to the top of the mountain. Mike seems determined. I'm finding myself wondering if I should reevaluate Christmas once again. But whoa! Well, as long as I have a tailwind like this, climbing whatever I'm doing, it shouldn't be that difficult. Okay, I feel like somewhere along the way we left Taiwan, and now we're stumbling our way through the set of Lost. I don't know. It looks really familiar, but Mike doesn't seem to think so. But let's take a look and we'll see.
It's the money shot. Jayo, Jayo! Fighting, fighting!
He's doing it. I think he might make it.
This segment brought to you by pH 9.0. Is that acidic or basic? I don't know. I guess that's basic?